Well, there is the king of supercross doing his burnout that he does every single time he wins. Eli Tomac winning his 6th Daytona supercross and doing it in pretty convincing fashion. Not getting the best of starts, ending up somewhere like 3rd, 4th, 5th, somewhere in there, having to pass 1 Chase Sexton, who has been super fast this year, and 2 Cooper Webb. And yes, there is a clip coming up, and also the little bit of controversy again. Of course, every race has to have some of Cooper Webb getting caught by a lapper, and would Eli Tomac have passed him? Would he have not? Blah blah blah. You're always going to have that question, but there he is. I mean, you have to admit that he's won on a Honda, he's won on a Kawasaki, he's won on now a Yamaha, especially in his first year. And this is the clip. Who knows? Obviously, you've got a lapper who has to go to one side of the track, and he just ended up picking the inside. If he went to the outside, who knows what would have happened there? But you have to give it to Eli Tomac. I mean, for just being the outright late race speed, being able to catch people, pass, and not lose it in the end of the races. And, of course, just to win on a Kawasaki again, on a Honda, on a Yamaha, especially in his first year, on a new bike, new team, and everything. He's just doing really good. It is cool to see, especially the every year burnout. And you can tell, like, every year it changes where it is on the track. It's on the berm, it's on the infield, it's on this part, it's on that part. And it's kind of one of those cool things that Daytona is its own special breed of race. Obviously, it's still supercross, but it is, outdoors and a different kind of track, and it's longer, and it's, more physical, more of outdoors than real, what you would call supercross, like, format track. But I think it's one of the best ones to watch. It's probably one of the best, fan things going on during Bike Week. You have so many people there, but I think it's pretty cool. Tell me in the comments below. Are you an Eli Tomac fan? Are you happy to see him win? Do you wish Cooper Webb would have gotten his first win of the season, or whatever you want to say? And I'll see y'all later. Peace.